Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I am Jay. So in today's video I am going to be taking this dirty dry wig from this right here to this nice shiny moisturized wig, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. It's very simple, so let's just skip the chit chat and get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is comb and detangle. Okay, I am taking my wide tooth comb and I'm just running it down the hair, and I'm detangling every knot that's in my hair. And I put emphasis on wide tooth comb, guys, because you do not want to use a small or like a very skinny comb, especially when you're working with curly hair. You do not want to use a rat tail comb or something that's very small, because you will end up pulling your hair. Okay, we want to work from the bottom up just like we would with our natural hair, and we want to detangle all the curls. And remember to use a wide tooth comb, not a small comb. We do not want to rip out our bundles and have it shedding and all of that. Now after I've done that, it is time to wash and condition. So I just use some lukewarm water. If you prefer any other temperature, I don't see why you can't use it, but this is just what I prefer. I prefer lukewarm water. And I am just wetting the entire wig just like I will with any other wig. Just go ahead, get it very drenched, very wet, because I know that most of you probably know already that water is what's really bringing those curls back to life. Alright, so we want to drench the wig very nice and get it all wet. Now to wash your hair, I am not going to be using shampoo. Well, I'm not sure if this is a shampoo, it just says a wash, but I'm going to be using this wash from, everybody pronounces it different. You can say APHOG, or some people say FOG. You guys see the name though. I'm going to use this wash, and I am just taking my fingers and rubbing it downward in the hair. Now this wash is for curls, alright? You want to use a wash that is going to define those curls, get rid of any frizz or any drooping. It's going to define your waves, your curls, your coils, whatever. You want to run that straight through the hair. Now I didn't use conditioner because this wash in itself is like a shampoo and conditioner, so I just use the wash alone. But you guys know you can customize this routine however you want. So if you want to go ahead and add conditioner while you're washing the hair, you can go ahead and do that. But I chose to go ahead and condition the hair when it is dripping wet right on top of my wig head. And finally, it is time to moisturize and define. So in order to do that, while the hair is still wet, I'm going to be adding in product. And this is like the #1 trick. Out of everything, out of the combing and everything, this is like all you really need, guys. You have to add these products in while the hair is still wet. Alright, that's the tip right there. I'm going to be taking this conditioner, this leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture. I'm going to take like a small amount because we want enough that it's going to saturate the hair, but we don't want it to be oversaturated, because again, that's going to cause your curls to hang down. So I'm going to take this. This is the amount that I am using. I'm going to rub my hands together, and I am going to run that evenly all through the wig. Okay, so now you guys can see here that the curls are coming back to life. You see the shine, you see the moisture and everything. So I'm just taking my wide tooth comb and I'm combing it through again so that the curls can be even more defined. So I just had to take a second to show you guys up close. Look at the curls. Like, look at the difference from the beginning of the video when it was all dry and frizzy, and everything is just nice and has so much moisture in it. I love it so much. Now it is time for my number one trick. Look at the bottom, look at the curls. Yes, come on, talk to me nice. Okay. All right, so now it is time for my final step. Well, my final step with defining the curls, I'm going to be adding some foam, you guys, mousse, whatever you want to call it. This is where you can take a lot of product. All right, guys, I know I said that you could take a little bit of conditioner because conditioner is heavy, you know what I mean. Foam is just so lightweight that I like to use a lot of it and run it all through the hair, and this is what's gonna keep the curls in place. This is your final step, and remember to do it while it's wet. Like, foam is so good. Like, if you guys see the girls that style frontals and they style the baby hairs, they use a heavy amount of foam. I don't even think they use that much, but guys, you don't think about, oh my god, I probably put too much in it. You cannot ever put too much foam in there. As you guys can see, it's so lightweight. Like, once you add it on the hair, it disappears, and look at that, it defines the curls even more. Like, now this is what you can use when you want that wet hair look, but you don't want your hair to be wet and dripping on your shoulder. Just remember, foam is your best friend. Okay, look at her now, guys. She has so much moisture. Look at her. Yes, like, the hair is currently not wet, y'all. It just has that look because that's the foam. All right, that is your number one trick when you want that wet, non-wet hair. Look at her flow, everything. Stiff wear, not over here. She is looking so cute. I love it. Okay, so now it is time for me to pluck and customize. Now, I have a disclaimer, guys. This is one of my older videos that I'm currently editing. So the plucking method that I used in this video and how I parted the hair, I no longer use this method. Okay, you guys, I have updated my skills, so wait for my future hair videos. Right now, I'm just plucking like very mediocre, I know, but like I said, these are one of my older videos. I no longer use this plucking method. I know how to part, I know how to pluck and everything. It wasn't bad though. She still looked cute. I still know how to pluck. Like, don't be trying to blame me, okay? So now I'm just like taking the little baby hairs of what I thought was plucking. Like, I thought you just take parts of the hair, like random parts, and just pluck it. But now what I do is I actually like make the hairline, like make a straight line and pluck in the back of that line. You guys are gonna see in my future videos, but right now I'm just doing some very mediocre plucking, okay? And I don't know about you guys, but what I like to do is go ahead and take my hot comb, and I like to add a hump in the front. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I love the front of the hair to be very up so that you can see the hairline and you can see the baby hairs. You guys are gonna see what I mean here. When I take the front, here I am taking my hot comb, and I am just lifting the first two pieces of the hair up, and it gives volume in the front of the hair. And here is her final look, guys. So I took this hair from WTF to OMG. Okay, so here is my final look with this wig. I hope that you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget, like I always say, don't forget guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And also, you guys already know what's coming. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time that I upload. All right, because you don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss what's coming for 2021, my yes year. Okay, hashtag yes year. Use my hashtag yes year on social media so I can see your posts. So go ahead and also mention in social media, make sure you guys go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Jaiye.Pierre. That is where I talk to my supporters. I talk to you guys. I give you guys posts. I ask you guys what you want to see next. So if you have Instagram, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm also going to leave a link in the description box. If you do not have Instagram and you have any other social media platform, I am going to leave a list of all my social media platforms right here on the screen, and I am also going to leave them in the description box. So follow me on whichever ones you have to keep updated with me, to keep in touch with me, and just to love me and support me. Okay, so thank you guys so much. I will check you guys in my next video. Bye.